Everyone, welcome to another video, and today is a sort of new series, if you will. I've done them before, but I'm going to try and keep this one going. This one called Simply Sampling Samples. Right, today I went out and wanted to buy myself a buy my mum. I'll get my words out. Buy my mum a perfume, but so I went to Boots because you can sample. Or at least get a spray on a sample strip. So in there, good 40 minutes, something like that. Excuse me. And I bought something for myself just for now. And the lady on the counter gave me some samples. While I was in there, there was some on the shelves that you can pick up as well. So got. I remember 1 million. Being actually quite nice. It was bubblegum sort of thing and sweet, but it had this nice cinnamon backbone to it, and I liked 1 million when it came out. Now, sampled 1 million, well, just sprayed on the back of my hand. What have they done? Yeah, it's still got the 1 million DNA, but I don't remember being this feminine, this floral, and it is definitely 1 million. I don't, yeah, don't know what they've done to it now. We'll skip over there. So, I can't. There's something on this hand I can't remember, but it's pretty much gone. Now, they gave me. Now, what I'll do is, this is all over the place. I bought this one from my mum. It's a Lancome, so it's got a nice bottle as well. La Ville es Belle, I don't know how you say that. It's actually really bloody good. Lovely smell. Fresh, slightly sweet, bit citrusy, a bit fruity, real nice. You know, and it's leaning onto the feminine side, but not really enough that I wouldn't wear it. I actually really enjoy this, and so she gave me a sample, and I'll be probably using that myself. So that's what I got my mum for Christmas. One of a couple of things, but that's sort of the main present, if you will. I purchased for myself. Now, I've always smelt it in store, but I've never had a bottle of this, and it is the Antaeus put on from Chanel. So be opening that in a minute. So the main thing I want to talk about, and she gave me a couple of other samples of feminine ones. This one, I think they're newish out. This one, Dior, another Lancome, which I did sample this one. Didn't like this one as much as the other one, hence why I bought the other one. But main one she gave me was that I was interested in is this one, the Dior Sauvage, and this is the Elixir. So I thought, you know what, while I'm in store sampling other things, I'd put it on. I got it here, and when you first spray it, it's very heavy, spicy patchouli, oak moss, and very medicinal. It smelled like something you'd splash on a wound, you know. It's got that kind of medicinal smell. So medicinal, very heavy, spicy patchouli, and heavy on the oak moss. And initially you're like, oh no, not really. If you're really into medicinal smelling fragrances, this was the Calvin Klein one, the one with the brown juice, that one. It's got a hint of that, got like plasters kind of smell. But mine, I went, nah, I don't like this heavy spicy patchouli. I like these sort of smoother patchouli that gives off like a hint of chocolate. I like that patchouli. After about half an hour, the dry down comes in, and you're still getting that, the patchouli softens off a bit and goes into that sort of, it's still a spicy patchouli, but it loses the medicinal side to this, and a little bit of that chocolatey patchouli starts coming through, but it's not a smooth one. It's still quite sharp patchouli, but on the chocolatey side. A little bit what Amen used to smell, that patchouli. It's a sharp in your face patchouli, but it's got a chocolatey edge to it. That's the kind of patchouli that's now. This, to me, is also on level par with this patchouli is Alchemos, or what Alchemos Accord, really. And something I can only describe to my nose as like a violet leaf. And something else. Now there's a hint of like a praline in this to me, and I don't like praline. Now there's only a hint, so it's not bothering me. But it smells like there's praline in here. No, not for me. I'm glad I've tried it. You know, it's not bad fragrance by any means. It's done very well. It smells nice, as in the ingredient smells of a good quality. But the overall smell, just not for me. Get onto the main bit. Bought this just for myself while I was there. I was going to buy either Paul Monsieur by Chanel. I was going to buy Eau Sauvage. And I've had Eau Sauvage before, so I will buy it again one day. But I've never bought a bottle of this, however I have had it. I have smelt it. And now the proud owner of my first 100ml bottle of Antaeus. Look at that. That is classy bottle right there. So yeah, I love it. I mean, it's half the it's half the bottle, the cap is. So no, I love that. I think it's good. So proper wearing, if you will. I've got Mancera's Oud Cafe on today, so I don't want it as me as me scent of the day, but a couple of sprays there on my arm just to test it out. And oh no, yeah. Now that's how you do old school right there. It's got a darkness but a freshness with it as well. Very herbal. Oh, that's better. That's much better. I mean, it's alright. This is good. That's nice. Now, if you've smelt old school type fragrances before, it's got a slight oak mossy feel, powdery, a little bit powdery. Definitely got some herbs, some oak mossy kind of vibes to it. Oh yeah, that's much better. They just don't know how to do. Honestly, designers just don't know how to do perfume these days. Quite honestly, really don't. This was what, back out 60s or something. I can't remember. Yeah, it sort of smells of that age, but it doesn't go too dark like a lot of them do. This sort of reminds me on the lines of Van Cleef & Arpels Pour Homme, but done better, and that is dark, a little fresher in there. Although it's a darker scent, it's a freshness to it. I think it's got some white florals and musk, clean musk. It smells like some white florals, just like flowers that will freshen something up. And it's got that sort of slightly powdery, barbershoppy kind of thing going on. And herbs, definitely a herbal side to this as well. If Chanel did Oscar de la Renta Pour Homme, sort of, you're going down the sort of right track, I think. Very nice. So that is my quick samples, showing you a couple of things that I bought, and then sampled the recent 1 million that you can buy. Nah, it's not. But then again, if it's not smelt the original, and you smelt this, it's fine. But when you have smelt a fragrance that you've had an original bottle of, or an older bottle, you can't get it out of your head. I know what that 1 million used to smell like, and it was nice. It was real nice. Today's stuff it smells watered down. That's how much. The Dior Sauvage, like I said, it's okay, but again, the more it dries down, the more of like a praline feel is coming through, and I don't like praline at all, or anything that resembles it at all. Hopefully, I'll be enjoying that one of the days. Yeah, it's a feminine scent, but it actually smells pretty good, in my opinion. So that's it, I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate you watching this first of this little new series thing that I'm going to put out, and I'm going to be sampling a fair bit more than buying, really. So hopefully I'll see you on the next one. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Got any comments, leave them below. I'll answer if I can, and I'll see you again soon on the next one.